Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to enable slow mode on Discord. So if you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So it's fairly easy to do this, and you can do this on either the web-based application, or if you have the Discord app downloaded, you can do it that way as well. It's all down to personal preference, but the steps are exactly the same. And in today's example, I'm going to be doing this via the Discord app. So what I'm going to do is just open up the app, and just bear in mind that you do need to be either the owner or admin for the server. You can't just do this on any old server. And what you need to do is come to your server, and basically you can't do this for the text channels at once. You need to do it individually. But what you would do is come across to the text channel and click the gear icon, which says edit channel. And you can see from here, just a bit down the page, you've got the slow mode option there. So you can actually change this to different intervals. So you've got like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, so on and so forth, up to a maximum of 6 hours. So that's how you do it, and I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutors channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.